Well, it's the 25th of February here in lovely Minnesota. It's about 18 degrees this morning. Everybody's digging out. So I'm going to enter the ID Parts Cold Start contest. And I was going to do the old Diesel Liberty, but I already did a video on this one a couple years ago. So I think we're going to try something new. I'm back in my driveway now. You can see the Diesel Liberty over there. I've had to park vehicles in multiple locations due to my diesel obsession. I was thinking about starting the BlueTech Mercedes, but that's pretty uneventful in general. It just starts way too easy. So we could do the Cummins Dodge this morning, but that's sleeping for the winter. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull start a diesel this morning. All right, here's the diesel we're going to pull start this morning.